Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix code migrations with MongoDB, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a backup of your MongoDB database. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the project directory where your code migration scripts are located. Review your existing migration scripts for any syntax errors or deprecated methods. Check the connection string to ensure it points to the correct MongoDB instance. If you're using Mongoose, update your Mongoose version to the latest compatible release. Open your migration file and identify the collection you want to migrate. Check for any changes in the schema that may affect the migration. If changes are found, update the migration script to reflect the new schema. Use the mongoose.model function to ensure your models are defined correctly. Run the migration script in a development environment first to test its functionality. Monitor for any errors during the migration process. If errors occur, review the error messages to identify the source of the problem. Make necessary adjustments to your script based on the error messages. Once the development migration is successful, prepare for production. Run the migration script in your production environment. Verify that the collection has been updated according to your migration requirements. Test your application to ensure it functions correctly with the migrated data. Document any changes made during the migration process for future reference. Monitor the application for a period after the migration to catch any unforeseen issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.